Hey everyone, today our lesson is over finding the area of triangles. Our formula chart shows us the formula A equals half BH, which stands for area equals half times base times height. Okay, we could also do that as base times height divided by 2. Okay, so finding half base times height is the same as finding the base times height and dividing by 2. So let's look at some examples. Alright, so first thing, we always want to write down our formula. So from our triangle, we have half base times height, okay, or remember you could do base times height divided by 2. So when we want to solve it, we have to find the base and the height. So the base and the height always form a right angle. Okay, so 12 is going to be our base, 4 is going to be our height. Okay, so I need to plug it in. 12 times 4 and divide that by 2. Okay, so 12 times 4 is 48. And then 48 divided by 2 gets 24. Okay, so our area would be 24. Alright, so our next one. So again, we have our formula, half base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Okay, so to find the area, we have to find our base and our height. We look for our right angle. Okay, so we have our base of 24 and our height of 7. Okay, so we have to do 24 times 7, divide that by 2. Okay, so 24 times 7, we get 168. And then 168 divided by 2 is 84. So our area is 84 square inches. All right, our third example. Okay, so here we have an obtuse triangle. Again, formula is still base times height, or sorry, half base times height, or we can write it as base times height divided by 2. Okay, so finding the base and the height, we look for the right angle. Okay, so the right angle is down here at the bottom where we have a solid line, which is part of my triangle, and then the dotted line, which is just extending out. The dotted line is just extra. That is not part of our triangle. So the base is only 8, okay, because that's the bottom base of the triangle. The height is the dotted line, okay, connecting the base to the peak. So our height is 12. Okay, so we can do base times height, divide that by 2. Okay, so 8 times 12 is 96. 96 divided by 2 is 48. So we have 48 square feet. Alright, so there's 3 problems for you to give a try. Okay, so remember, write down your formula, find your base and your height, solve for it, and then go back to Schoology and submit your answers. Have a good day.